Here we have a Cory professional hair dryer, vintage stand-up style. There, professional hair dryer, model EHA by Cory. This hair dryer is a pinkish color. I think it's pink anyway. It's a soft reddish pink. The base is very heavy. It's like a metal, like a cast iron almost, but it does have some over the ear scratches and dings. See all those? It rolls very well though. It's on 3 wheels. Metal also. As far as the stand goes, there's a spring inside here. When I raise it up, here it go up, but then it just goes back down to this exact spot. When I mash it down, it goes back up. So it will not stay in one spot. It stays, you know, right about there more or less. It does tilt very well, back and forth. And this current height right here is roughly to the tip, I would say about 38 inches, maybe 40 inches, depending on this here. It's got a cold, warm, warmer, and hot, but it does not get that very hot. I'll demonstrate in a minute. Like here's the on-off switch. Here it running. The inside is very clean. I'll tell it hot for you. It's already on hot, okay. The inside is, for its age, very, very clean. It came from a estate sale from a former hairdresser. She's probably underage. She passed away. But there is some also little, little imperfections in this back here. See the little scuffs, stains. The light comes on. Here I have a thermometer I use for cooking, but it should give a temperature readout. Right now, it is on the hot section, about 82 degrees. It will get a bit warmer if it heats up some more. This is clear, like a tinted outside. This is about 10 inches open and good. Anything else you know about it? Here's the back of it. See how it swivels? When it's, let's see. Yeah, it's about up to 93 degrees right now. So lower it down. It's at 96 degrees, at 97 degrees. So that thing rotates. That's what it is now. 93, 90. I've got to high as 101 before, but there it goes, 99. So when I reach 100, 100, 101. It's about as high as I could get it on my 102 right now. When I put it down to the cold, it's a little tight here. Some of the cold right now. See what it goes down to. It's dropping pretty rapidly. Let it cool off. There's the switch. There's the handle. There's that. Base again. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm at 82 degrees. So, you know, cold's about 82, hot's about 101, 81. Cut it off for us. Now, when I ship the item, it will come in 2 boxes. This piece right here just comes out. See, just came out. Slide back in. There you go. The entire unit weighs about 28 pounds or so, so it won't be a cheap item to ship, but it's pretty solid. And there you have it.